And yet another one, Chevy truck fans. Again, I'm not doing this on purpose, but we are loaded up with Chevy trucks today at the Cars and Coffee. This particular model's nice because it's topless. These sport trucks are very popular, man. Very, very popular. And I like this one because it's a manual trans. Still has a lot of period look to it. Very stock.
Oh no, I got those.
Paint and body is beautiful. Wheels and tires are incredible. Got the roll bar in it. You know, these are a lot of fun. And it's these particular body styles that are extremely collectible and very popular with collectors. And I'm not sure what the term is, whether you put like a bimini top or something, like the cloth top over the top when you go mudding or whatever. But really nice. I like the addition of the modern stereo with the big face in it. And it's a CST manual, four-wheel drive.
So the sun's going to come up in my front yard.
And quite frankly, if I were to ever buy a truck, it would be something like this. Because, man, that thing looks nice. That is a pretty truck. Very beautiful. And just imagine the fun you could have with that thing. So there you have it. Gauze Garage. Beautiful Chevy truck. And I'm not sure exactly what you would refer to the model. You Chevy truck experts, if you can put in the comments the correct term for this type of truck with no top on it. You have to pardon my ignorance, but I am not the biggest truck guy, but I know something I like when I see it. So there you have it.